Happy holidays, everybody. Welcome to Carte Cooking. In this segment, we are doing 12 cocktails of Christmas. Think of it like the 12 days of Christmas, but cocktails, right?
Yes.
Originally, we wanted to do something based on the 12 days of Christmas, but to be honest with you, I don't know what to make for 12 drummers drumming. I just can't think of anything. So we're just kind of gonna go through what cocktails we really enjoy over the holidays. We're gonna start really simple. We're gonna start with spiced apple cider. Now, looks kind of store-bought. It is. You'll find this actually a lot of bars, to be honest with you, because it's a great mix. You can add a little, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon stick to it. I think we have cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon sticks. We found the cinnamon sticks. It was in the far, far corners of the closet. Anyways, so, location, tomato, right? Still a little room that you put stuff in. So, spiced apple cider. Okay, this is really simple. We're gonna add whiskey to it. You can add whatever you want, really, but I kind of like to do a whiskey. This is a Scotch whiskey. It's blended Scotch, fantastic, very reasonably priced. Simple ingredients, simple recipe. We're gonna do 1 packet of the spiced apple cider. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put it in a mixing glass. You can put it right into your mug, put some hot water in there, or cold water and throw it in the microwave, whatever you want. But I'm gonna do it in here because, well, we got 2. I'm also gonna add in the whiskey first, just because I like to measure it out. Now, traditionally, I think for a whole one, you wanna use 1.5 of these. You can do 1, you can do 2, whatever you want. I think 1.5 is pretty good. So we're gonna do 1.5 shots or ounces, however you wanna call it. It's just like pantry and closet. It's the same thing, 2 different locations. Okay, 1.5 ounces of wonderful whiskey and hot water. We've already got hot water here, save us time, and movie magic. And we're gonna do 8 ounces of hot water. So about a cup. But I'm gonna go a little bit extra just because we added in the alcohol. You take it and you stir it up. Very simple. I'm gonna use a little Demitasse spoon. And then just a little mixy mix here. What's great about this spiced apple cider, it's super easy to mix. In 3, 2, 1, it's done. It's very fast, very simple. You can buy this almost anywhere. Winco, Ralph's, Safeway, Albertsons, probably Walmart. You can buy it everywhere. And then we're gonna pour it into here because it looks lovely. And I might actually just be able to put it into 1. Oh, almost. Okay, no, psych. We're gonna do 1. Just 1 today. This is for leftovers. And a cinnamon stick. Because how classy is this? Just a little cinnamon stick you put on top. You serve it to somebody, then they go, "Thank you so much for that cinnamon stick," and they stick it in. You can stir it with it, you can drink it, but it smells wonderful. Look at the steam coming off that. Is that not awesome? It's hot. And these are pretty cool little glasses too. If you don't have these, the dog is seeing ghosts. The ghosts of Christmas past has come to see us. If you haven't seen these glasses, they're fantastic. They're double walled, they're by Bodum. Fantastic for hot drinks, cold drinks, whatever, because it's really like a thermos, right? Whatever you put in it, it's gonna stay the same for a while. Man, that is good. Wow. And it's so simple, right? It's cool to have around the fireplace or just kind of come off the day with work and just want something hot because God knows we are in a cold environment here. When I get home, whoo, it is chilly. So warm up with one of these, you have a good holiday. All right, thanks everybody. Thank you for coming to see Carte Cooking and seeing one of our 12 cocktails of Christmas. Have a great day.